Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica and this is Moni's Cozy Home. In today's video, I'm going to bring you guys along with me to set up my new pantry and organize it. The original color is like a cherry brown color. I did want to change the color to match my cabinet. It is a dark color as well as it's kind of has like glossy finish, so I wanted to make sure the paint wouldn't be peeling off or scraping off. So I did sand down. After sanding, I did apply a white primer, and then I applied the paint from Dolphin from Bear as well. I love how it looks. It just complements more. I did opt out not to paint the inside of the cabinet. I did apply some liner that I got from Walmart, very inexpensive contact paper. They have so many cute designs to choose from. And for my containers, some of them I have bought from IKEA, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, just different stores I've gone to where they have good deals, sometimes Ross. I would recommend if you're starting to organize your pantry, just kind of explore your options. Different stores have different prices, and then they do tend to go on clearance a lot. I would just check the stores. I'll leave the containers I can link down below, and I'll keep an eye out if I see any good container deals, and I'll let you guys know. Sorry in advance, my kitchen is very bright. I don't have any curtains or blinds in my kitchen windows or my sliding doors. I do love having a very open concept. I love the light coming in. I wanted to show you guys how my kitchen looked like at the moment. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I invite you to hit the subscribe button down below to join my little YouTube family. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back, friend. We did have a lot of stuff going on this weekend, so it kind of kept us busy, kind of keeps the mess under control a little bit, especially with the kids. They were more outdoors, doing outdoor stuff, enjoying the last of the little warm weather. I did decide to just vacuum the sofas as well. I tried to do this at least once every 2 weeks. I did find a whole pair of socks. And then I also just decided to move the furniture around just to get to the back sides of the sofas. And then I'm just going to put some music on as well, so you guys don't have to hear me talk the whole time. And just to complete my living room cleaning, I did spray some aromatherapy, and then I moved on to the kitchen. I feel like once you get all the dishes going, everything goes super smooth and fast. I have been really enjoying my kitchen, changing the color on my cabinet. I'm loving my new pantry as well. I will also be uploading a video on Friday of deep cleaning the house and getting everything ready for Christmas. Let me know in the comments down below when you guys start decorating for Christmas. I would normally wait until after Thanksgiving to put up my Christmas tree, but now I can't wait. I normally put up my Christmas tree in the first week of November. Let me know if you guys will be doing a theme Christmas tree or what kind of decorations you guys will be using for Christmas.